Hi guys, from Hyundai to Fiat. They're launching their new car, Aventura. I have with me Mr. Sheikh here, who is a sales consultant with Fiat. He's going to give us more updates about the performance, the engine, the interiors, and the quality of the build of Aventura. So thank you so much for being with us on Trade Fair TV. I'm going to hand over the mic. I'm going to let you speak to the audience, and let's see what you've got for us.
पिछले 4.5 ईयर से ये ब्रांड जो है वो मैं सेल आउट कर रहा हूँ. बेसिकली अगर आप देखना जाएंगे तो एक कार के अंदर 145 मतलब 145 bhp का पावर दिया गया है अराउंड 5500 5500 आरपीएम पर, और टॉर्क इसमें आपको दिया गया है 212 मतलब 212 Nm का टॉर्क दिया गया है अराउंड 2000 से 4000 आरपीएम के बीच में. मतलब ये जो कार है वो 8.8 सेकंड में 0 to 100 ले लेती है. तो पावर अगर आप देखना चाहें तो हैचबैक में हॉट हैचबैक तरीके की जो गाड़ी है वो आप ले सकते हैं. और बेसिकली अगर आप देखेंगे तो इंजन के नीचे पूरा सेफ्टी गार्ड लगाया गया है ताकि अगर आप रफ रोडिंग करते हैं तो इंजन डैमेज होने के कोई चांसेस नहीं है. बेसिकली अगर आप देखेंगे तो इसका अगर बोनेट की जो क्वालिटी है, जो हैवीनेस है, वो भी आपको ये हैचबैक सेगमेंट के अंदर सबसे बिल्डअप क्वालिटी जो है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग है. इसके अलावा अगर आप ओवरऑल ये बोनेट का जो कर्व वेट देखेंगे वो भी काफ़ी हैवी है, जिससे आपको जो मस्क्यूलिटी मतलब बिल्ड क्वालिटी जो है वो आपको काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग मिल रही है, वो चीज़ आपको मिल जाएगी.
I will have Mr. Sheikh giving you more information about what is the cost of the vehicle, what is the torque and what is the power it gives you. I will also show you the interiors of the cars.
अगर आप इसका ओवरऑल जो सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट देखेंगे तो पूरा एंटी सबमरीन सीट है. आपका बैक साइड का सब पार्ट टच करके रहता है ताकि आपको अगर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस पे लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे जाना है तो बैक पेन से लेके वो कुछ चीज़ें इसमें नहीं होगी. इसके अलावा अगर आप इसका इंटीरियर देखेंगे तो स्टीयरिंग के ऊपर कंट्रोल्स दिए गए हैं. स्टीयरिंग के ऊपर पूरा लेदर रैप है जिससे जो कंफर्ट लेवल है वो काफ़ी अच्छा दिखता है. इसके अलावा गियरबॉक्स के ऊपर भी लेदर रैप है पूरा. ऑटो क्लाइमेट कंट्रोल, एसी, म्यूजिक सिस्टम विथ 4 स्पीकर, बोथ साइड एयरबैग, ड्राइवर एंड को ड्राइवर साइड, एंड हाई टेरेन गेजेस जिसमें कंपास दिया हुआ है, और हाईएस्ट ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस एंड रूफ रेल्स, एसयूवी कैरेक्टराइज्ड माउंटेड व्हील एंड 16 इंच स्कॉर्पियन एलॉय व्हील ये आपको इस कार में दे दिया गया है. इवन सेगमेंट बेस्ड ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस 205, जिससे गाड़ी का जो अगर आप रफ रोडिंग कर रहे हैं तो नीचे से टच करने का कोई चांसेस नहीं है. इवन ओवरऑल लुक ऑसम. रियर एसयूवी कैरेक्टराइज्ड माउंटेड व्हील, दिखने में काफ़ी स्पोर्ट्स दिखती है कार, पूरा एसयूवी लुक दे रही है कार.
Hi guys, this is Samir from Trade Fair TV. I have Mr. Rahman with me, who is representing Datsun Go. I've shown you wonderful cars, but this segment, Datsun Go Plus, is really doing a wonderful job. I'm going to give the mic to him and he's going to tell us more about what Datsun Go Plus has to offer to you guys. So stay tuned with me and I will give you more updates about Datsun and other cars that are available in the Autocar Expo Performance.
This is Habib. I'm going to introduce you to the Datsun team. We have got 2 products in our hand. One is we have got Datsun Go, which is on my right side, and then we have got Datsun Go Plus, which is on on the left side. We have got both the cars have got the same technical specifications. We have got 1.2 liter engine in both the cars, 1200 cc, which gives you the power of 104 Nm Newton meter torque. Like in a hatchback car, you will not get to see this much kind of a power in the engine, you know. Then we have talking about the Datsun Go Plus car. It's an extended hatchback, which comes with a 5 plus 2 seater capacity. 5 adults and 2 kids can get in there very easily. Then we have got, as per the market requirement, we don't entertain people with the cosmetics, but the basic requirements we have provided you in the car. The front 2 power steering we have got in here, and then we have got speed sensitive electronic power steering. We have got 360-degree ventilation system in here, and 170 mm ground clearance, which is the highest in the particular segment. We have used in this particular car latest suspension technology, which is called McPherson strut technology. Now I'm going to show you the speciality about this very vehicle which is called Datsun Go Plus. Okay, so as you can see, the last row which is called extra two seats. It is not mandatory for adults. I would say that this seat is capable for two kids in here, or else you can fold it and utilize it as a body space around 347 liters body space. In here we have got. That would be all, and thank you very much.
Hi guys, we just saw what Datsun has to offer. Now we are yet for Nissan. I have Ruchita Parmar with me. Ms. Parmar, thank you so much for giving us your time. I want you to just tell our audience what the product that you guys have to offer.
Sure. Good afternoon, everyone. In Nissan, basically, there are three products going on. That is Micra, Sunny, and Terrano. The Micra is with an CVT technology, with all together the new technology of Micra. Then comes the Terrano, that is the SUV, best in off-roading sounds. Then it comes the Nissan Sunny, the car, and there would be, say, different mileages. Even in Sunny, there would be a CVT technology which we were running out. Here is all Nissan Micra. Nissan Micra with the CVT technology altogether. Again, if you checked it out, the Nissan Micra is a 5-seater car with a boot space of 251 liters. Thank you. This is Lindsay Rosario, and I'm at the Auto Fair Performance Show 2015, and you're seeing me at Trade Fair TV.
Boom shakalaka, hi, I'm Clint Verghese and you're watching me on Trade Fair TV.
Trade Fair TV has gone a mile for you, and we're getting you cars which are for the consumers in Bombay, the local cars. We're also showing you high-end cars for the high-end users. We are the one who's going to give you all the updates about what is the best cost. We'll have experts talking about their brands, so stay tuned with us. Hi guys, I am at the stall of Tata Motors here, and they've got three wonderful cars for you. I have Malita who's going to give you a brief about what cars they have. Malita, the mic is yours. You just please explain to the audience what you've got for us.
Well, here at Tata Motors, we have three fabulous cars of Tata Motors displayed. On to the left-hand side, we have a car which is uber chic, uber stylish, one of India's most stylish sedans, which is none other than the Zest from Tata Motors. On to the right out here, we have a special Bolt rally car. And we call this the Rally Edition car because this is the exact same car that had participated in a rally in Coimbatore. And last but not the least, we bring to you the most compact, the newest hatch in town, which is none other than the GenX Nano from Tata Motors, which is Easy Shift AMT. We call this the Easy Shift AMT because this is automatic manual transmission. Yes, GenX Nano is now automatic manual transmission as well. So there are three fabulous cars of Tata Motors on display. So if you guys wish to come over to the Autocar Performance Show 2015, may I request you to kindly come over to Tata Motors. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm at the Autocar Performance Show 2015 at the BKC. I'm looking at one of the big players in the exhibition. It's the Big Boys Toys. I have Poonam with me, who is the Assistant Manager Client Servicing. She's going to tell us about the company. It's for the high-end users. They've got amazing products. Poonam, I would request you just share a few details with our viewers.
Big Boy Toys, it started off like 6 years back, right? There's just one only showroom in India which you have like all the high-end cars. You name whether it's Rolls-Royce, Bentley, from Ferrari to your Lamborghini. We have all the high-end cars, exotic pre-owned cars. I would say right now, if you see the trend of used car is changing. So I would say the market is pan India. Definitely, our showroom is situated in Delhi, but again, the whole I would say the business is pan India, and we are targeting all over India.
Well, a beautiful lady talking about a beautiful brand. Guys, you can check out the website, go on the Facebook page. This is a brand which is new, but it's making its presence felt at the Auto Car Performance Show 2015. I'll get you more updates. Stay tuned with me. I have showed you Skoda, I have showed you Chevrolet. Now I am the stall of Ford. Ford has got the new hatchback which is just launched. This is the Ford Figo. And we have the Ford Figo Aspire which is in the sedan range. We also have here the all-new EcoSport which is done exceptionally well in the market. Ford is one of the leading players in selling hatchbacks. They got 2 new products for you guys. Stay tuned with us, I'll keep you updated with more options. Hi guys, I am at the Auto Performance Expo 2015. I am already looking at a few new brands, out of which Isuzu is one brand. I am sitting in their D-Max vehicle, which is an MUV vehicle. They are selling this vehicle as a vehicle available for all purposes. You can use it to go to office in the morning. In the afternoon, you can go and pick up your stuff. There's a huge carriage space behind. And in the night you can use it for adventure sports. I love the feel of the vehicle. It's something which is very unique, which not seen before. I'll show you the vehicle, guys. Stay tuned with me. This is Samir Patel. Hi guys, I am at the Renault stall at the Auto Car Performance Expo in BKC. Guys, Renault has come up with 5 new products for you guys. Renault Kwid is one of the interesting products that they guys have. It's available at a very economic cost. They promise the consumer to give an excellent performance at a very affordable price. If you see the performance of this car and the space inside is absolutely suiting the regular customers in the city. I would want you to look at these wonderful options available here with various cardholders right from Suzuki to Renault. So stay with me, this is Samir Patel from Trade Fair TV. We have just entered hall number 2 of the Auto Performance Car Expo 2015. First hall was dedicated to the cars and the brands of the car automobile industry. The second hall, there is a huge innovation. We have got major players in the two-wheelers. We've got Bajaj who is exhibiting, we've got Triumph who is exhibiting, we have Ducati, we've got a lot of brands which are into the automobile industry. Not only the two-wheeler automobile engines, but also we've got bicycles. So I will keep you updated on all the brands and all the new products these guys are launching us. Stay tuned with me.